What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Guys, I've got a lot of updates for you today. Alright guys, so one of the two truck projects we've got going on out at the shop today, not that one out there on the trailer, I say today, one of the two truck projects we've got going on is, of course, the F100, and you're probably like, what's going on here? Like, why is this here? Alright guys, so here is the deal. The F100 build is making leaps and bounds towards being finished. The next thing we needed to do was do a lot of test fitting for several different things: the engine, the transmission, the wheels. The biggest thing was the wheels. How much room are we going to have? Back spacing, all that. You know, is it going to clear the inside of the bed? Is the new suspension going to clear? How much, you know, how much meat can we put on the back of the truck? How low can the truck go? There was a lot of questions. So last week in the wee hours of the morning, the body came off, as you can clearly see. Now again, guys, this is the old frame. This is the frame that was under the body that we're going to use. This is the original running and driving 6-cylinder that you saw us drive in the video not too long ago. But yeah, it does run and drive, 9-inch rear end, 3-speed, all that. So you're probably thinking to yourself, well, where's the body? It's right in there. Let's go check it out. All right, boys. So, as you can clearly see, there's the body of the truck. Yeah, there's the body of the truck. And let's take a look in here real quick. Interior's kind of stripped. Let's walk around here. Oh, look at that. Might be a frame under there. Boom! There she is, boys. What do you think? 1971 F100 with the Gen 2 Coyote and hold on, 6R80 right back there, which you can actually see almost half of the transmission, y'all. It is crazy. But again, y'all, for testing and fitment and mocking up purposes, we set the cab and the bed down on top of the frame with the new 4-link and the Crown Vic front end and all that. If you did not see the last update on this, go back and watch that. But as you can see, got the 4-link is in and done. Been test fitting, and as you can see, we got a lot of meat up under here. I'll show you. That's the other wheel of what we got on the back. Almost 12.5 inches wide, but and it's spaced, and it fits like perfect. There's the custom built 4-link right there. It's got the coilovers on it. So right now it's got a 305/35/18 on the back, and as you can clearly see, plenty of room everywhere. Now again, y'all, clearly these aren't the wheels that are going to be on it, but those are 05 Mustang wheels, and they're sucked in pretty well. So we're going to have plenty of space up here for whatever wheel we want to put on there. Under the hood, there's room everywhere, guys. Absolutely everywhere. There's no issues whatsoever for the oil filter, the alternator, on and on and on. And we've been kind of debating, going back and forth on the under hood of this truck. Should we clean it up and paint it and make it all pretty, or should we leave everything original and then have the nice fresh Coyote sitting there? Just kind of a conversation piece. But again, y'all, it's just sitting here just for mock-up purposes, test fitting everything. Got the steering shaft right there, plenty of room for it. And also, I didn't get to talk about this in the last upload, but we are doing the Volvo power steering pump on this truck. And I know a lot of you guys that do Coyote swaps, you've heard about the Volvo power steering pumps, the electric power steering pumps. There it is. Gonna try that. We've never actually run that on any one of these. And this is something else that we're trying to kind of figure out exactly where to put it. Not like there isn't plenty of room. Thought about maybe inside here in the fender well, just mounting it out of the way and hide it a little bit. But that's going to be pretty cool. Kind of interested to see how that works. The only thing, guys, I'm going to tell you about this, about the Volvo power steering pump, which some of the Fox Body guys have run and talked about running, is it is big. It's big. It's heavy. So, yeah, there it is. I personally would not run it on my car just for the size and the weight, but it is a viable option. It means you don't have a power steering pump hanging off the front of your engine if you're running power steering. If you're running manual steering, no worries. All right, boys, so moving along here, just again, got test fitting everything, and we still got the 05 Mustang wheels on the back here. You can see how far those are sucked in. But y'all, there's plenty of room on the back of these trucks for some serious meat. I mean, we're thinking 20 by 12, maybe bigger, who knows? I mean, there's plenty of room, and you can actually come out 5 inches more from these tubs, so right around there, if you wanted to add more room. And we do have another solid bed with wheel tubs in it, so good possibility. Might extend these out a little bit. It does need a little bed work on the floor of the bed over there, so you know, probably wouldn't be a bad idea to do that. Here is the master cylinder and the brake booster. These are all off the same Crown Victoria, you know, year, the Panther body style. The I believe it was like a 0304 Crown Victoria, but that's the booster and master cylinder we're going to use for that. So that's going to be cool, and definitely leaving the spare tire holder inside the bed because it's too cool. Next thing on the list is the if you are not familiar with these trucks, the gas tank is behind the seat, which is kind of odd, but you know, that's where they put it. So this is where you fill it up. But we were just talking earlier. It's like, what do you do with this now? Because you don't need it. And I don't know. I was saying, well, maybe we should put a kill switch in there or something, you know, just kind of keep it. Because we're trying to keep it somewhat original looking as far as the exterior goes, and the interior somewhat too. But drop us a comment below. What do you think? What should we do with that, or should we just shave it and be done with it? A lot of guys shave the drip rails right here. Not 100% sure about that. But there's so many options, y'all, you can do with these old trucks. But at the end of the day, this thing is going to be absolutely awesome. Brand new, you know, Coyote 6R80 drivetrain, late model Explorer rear end, Crown Victoria front suspension and brakes. I mean, this is going to drive like a dream. 4-link and coilover suspension in the rear. Stock drivability. It's going to have vintage air from National Parts Depot. It's, you know, super excited, guys. May even do some custom upholstery from TMI products. Super excited. All right, boys, and like I was saying just a minute ago, this is the other body. This body was on the frame that we built. We took everything off, obviously, and built that frame and then just swapped the body. So, and this bed is in really rough shape. You can see the wood and everything. But as I was mentioning earlier, we've got these wheel tubs. The wheel tubs are in great shape. The rest of the bed is done pretty much on the inside here. But we could trim these wheel tubs out and then add that 5 inches, and everything would fit great. So good ideas there. But again, y'all, the cab, the rear, you still got the rear and all that. Hood's rough, but it's here. So if you guys are into these old trucks, building these old trucks, I mean, they really are super popular. And I have to say, just a little sidebar, guys, it is so nice to see people building classic Ford trucks. But yeah, guys, I mean, it's I love it. I love seeing these old truck builds, especially when you're putting a new style drivetrain, or even if you put just like a roller cam 347 or 363. They're fantastic looking trucks, and you're gonna love seeing this one done. And we're getting closer. All right, guys, so that is pretty much what I got for you today. I hope you're kind of digging the truck content, guys. I have had a tremendous amount of feedback on the trucks. Everybody kind of seems to like the change of pace, and you know, these trucks are cool, guys. I don't care who you are. If you are into cars, trucks are cool too. You know, the regular cab, short beds, you know, slammed on big wheels with, you know, a coyote or whatever, you know, 347 or 363, whatever, under the hood. I mean, how can you not love something like this? I know I do, and you know, I appreciate everybody giving me the feedback in the comments saying, yeah, they're cool, they're fun, nice change of pace, keep doing, you know, keep adding the variety. So I appreciate the feedback, guys, and we are again, our 2017 Lightning build rolls on. I will have an update for you very soon. That truck is coming along. It's kind of getting to a place where it's going to go off to the body shop to have a few spots repaired and repainted, but I will have an update for you on that. So if you love badass truck content and Fox bodies too, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. We're gonna get back to work on this bad boy, guys.